I'm preheating it for about 3 minutes. Okay, I'm testing this out. Right here. Attempt 2. I don't know what's wrong. Hindi ko alam kung anong problema. But pretty normal dito. I don't know, I suspect kung ang RC. Just the RC. I'll try with the Wi-Fi. And let's see how it goes. Yeah, this is what is. So I will try this with just the Wi-Fi. We'll set up just for the Wi-Fi right there. Okay, and DJI Go 4. Connected. Got the fly. What it is. Okay, so we'll try this thing. It took off, my friend. Pero let's try one more time if it does work. So it's the RC. I mean, with the RC, hindi siya gumagana. So try natin without the RC again for the third time. The first one, tumambling siya, diba? So naka-take off na siya ng ganun kataas. Took off again. Could be wrong. So it took off with just the phone, the Wi-Fi connected. Could it possibly the remote controller? Kala ko dead na. We're trying this again with my clothes on. We'll see kung ang remote control talaga yung may issue. We'll try with just the Wi-Fi. Yeah, you go there. It didn't clue for a while. Kasi nga, yung problem is talagang tumatumbling siya. Nakita nyo a while ago na yung unang take off niya, when it takes off, mag-crash na talaga siya. So, this time if it goes stable, kung makalipad pa to ng higher and we can hover around, we can conclude na ang RC ang remote control ang may problema. So it means we're back in business, flying with your DRONIE. Be good.
Do you miss DRONIE?
Yeah, I miss this guy. The last time it flew is dun yung sa may munisipyo. From Manila, from Laguna, nakalipad pa siya eh. Pinaayos from the shop. We went to DJI. They calibrated the whole thing. Tapos yun na. He's fresh. Full bat tayo. Okay, wala na naman ako nadalang SD card. Pero okay lang, it records sa phone. Turning this thing on. So, Wi-Fi. There. Connecting to Mavic. See? Check. There's no internet connection. And go back to DJI Go. See, it's connected. Diba?
Yeah.
Kita yan? And go fly. Yun. Kita yung mga paa natin, ha?
Oh my God!
Let's record and our take off.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Hey, Amidala is there. Yip yip. Oh. The kids are the spotters.
Kids. Oh, din good din. So therefore, yung RC ang may problema.
Yay! We have our DRONIE back.
Yes, yes. So,
Yeah, it's good to know, you know.
it's coming back. It's coming back.
What's coming back to me now? Oh, there you go.
Signal loss. Return to home. Go home.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
That's the maximum flight altitude, 50 meters high.
Oh my.
Oh, dyan na ka, oh. Wait lang. Don't touch anything on my phone. Okay. Ha? Masakit yan.
Wow! Yay! Yay! Yes! Wait lang.
So, let's try to take this out kasi medyo foggy yung ano, yung clip. Let's see this time. Okay?
Hey, hey, hey! You stay right there! You're gonna get the kalabaw over there, oh.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So hangin! Doon tayo! Pupunta! Sunset, oh.
Panibago using the phone.
Talaga pag may RC, diba?
Yeah, sort of.
Tas okay lang naman, Dad, pag cellphone lang, no?
Okay yung mga malalapit lang. You don't fly bigger flight.
Pang vlog lang yan.
Pwede nang blah 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 blah. Hey, kita mo yung bird.
Dito diha.
Yeah. Coming down na. Ayun ang pagkat. Holy macaroni.
Tama na yan, Dad.
Yeah, 42.
Yeah, boy.
Banty boy. Banty conty boy.
Lala.
Down ka boy.
Ang tumatiin.
Wala naman na mag-record.
Record. Ate sana. Yay! Safely landed!
We're back. We're back in business.